Altally, AI alt text generator. It's already added, I've already added it to the extension. This is the icon here, and this is how it looks. The overview. Audit any page for missing accessibility, caption, embedded titles, then generates WCAG, web content accessibility guideline, friendly alternative text with AI. Audit page with yada yada yada. I don't know, so that's all. Yeah. We don't take any data. No data is being processed, just web content. That's all. Just scans your page and let's get right into it and test how it works. So we'll be scanning the Association of Accessibility Professional here in Nigeria. And I'm not auditing this page I'm not auditing this page, I'm just testing out the tool. So for you to run this tool, you come to the web page and see the image. Let's say you're a test auditor, you're a tester, you're a certified tester, and you test for accessibility and for issues with the website. And you want to know all the alternative text that is on the website if anyone is missing alternative text. So you come to this extension and you just click on it. It pops out this window. What it already scans the images on the website. And you can come here, you click on the one that are good, the pages that are decorative, the images that are decorative, and the one that needs work. Right now it's showing a alt text score of 100%. No alt text needs works, just they're all good. So if you want to print this out, and let's say for the ones that are good, here are the alternative text for them. And you want to go to the image, just go to the image. It takes you to the image. Here's the image. Okay, okay, this is the image. I'm clicking on this. So this is the image here, over here. And it just takes you to the image. It says Dr. Yusuf, founder, board chairman, AAP. So it just gives you like, just tells you the description of the person, the the title of the person. It doesn't really give you a description of the person. So there's this formula I use when I'm describing alternative tests. I'm going to share it with you. So before I share the formula, I'm going to do a different test. I'm going to go to a different website. Let's use apple.com. My history is so funny. But we're on the Apple page now. The- And let's say we try the extension again. Oh, oh, okay. Now there is a lot of decorative image on it. Let's check them out. It's getting difficult to fetch. But let's see the good ones. The good ones are two two open MacBook Air laptop. See, the way they describe this is almost the same with the formula I'm about to give you. MacBook Pro. Let's go to the MacBook Pro. Yeah, there it is over here. MacBook Pro positioned into the shape of a V, referencing the M5 chip family. Yeah, it gives you more information about the image. So let's say, what is alternative text? Alternative text, the way I define it, is a short, concise description that you add to an image that tells the screen reader or an assistive technology that this is an image. And also, if you are in an environment where there is slow internet or no internet connection and the page wants to load, the alternative text on the website comes out first. And what are the characteristics or what are the rules or the formula I use to write alternative text? I use the subject plus the action, state, and key details, like any visible text. I use that to define alternative text. And that is what is Altally is being powered by. And that is the same example that Apple is using. They are giving the subject what is on display what's on the image. They're giving the action as a V shape, for instance, this V shape. And they're also giving the key details of the image. So if you have a visual impairment or you're blind or a person that is blind, if they can't see the image, they also can enjoy the information that the image is still passing through. Like my mentor used to say, if you can't see the image, we used to gain the same information from the image. And here are the rules I use to write alternative text. Number one is under 125, 125 character character. No image of or photo of inside the alternative text description because screen reader will also announce image instead of you saying image of image at the end. It's redundant and it's not good. And you can also use active voice too for it. Notes notes spectral relationship when they matter or spatial relationship when they matter. Include any text baked into the image. When people appear, like when there's a subject matter, for instance, like the website we were on before, when people appear, you note the skin color, you note the gender if known, and the name if it matters too. So these are the few rules I use. They help me guide me to the kind of information. They help me guide me. So if I want to, okay, one is missing. Hmm, that's it. I want to see this one that is here. What they give to this image. So just make sure your alternative text is below 125 to 150 characters, and they give more meaning to the person reading it or to the screen reader. And yeah, no abbreviations. Yeah, don't use that. They mark this image as decorative. For instance, now this image tells I as I'm seeing it, as I'm looking at this image, it add more meaning to this information here. So not giving calling this a descriptive image, it makes it creates like this. It's not inclusive. Yeah, calling this descriptive image. I don't want to audit this website. I'm just giving you the differences between descriptive image and the one that adds meaning to the website or the content. So this is just little about Altally, what Altally is for, and the power behind it. And if you want to upload, you can upload. Right now, it's free to use. These 5 credits, it refreshes every day. And yeah, if you have more information, more questions, you want me to audit your website, I want me to look it's closer into your website, just send me a message and yeah, take care or comment on this video and I'll reach out. I'll reach out. And you can upload the image if you want to here. So very, very useful for people that test websites, people that audit websites.